Alright, here we go. We're going to do an update on Jake. We're going to go outside and let him in now. That's where he is, at the back door. You ready to come in? There you are. Yes, good boy. Wait for the okay, don't ya? You want to do tricks? Okay, come here. No, come over here, Jake. Oh, tour around the kitchen. Come here. Come here, Jake. Come. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Are we going to shake? Shake? Good boy. Yes, here you go. There you go. That's a good boy, huh? Yeah, that's a good boy. Jake likes to shake, huh? Yeah. 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 Okay, easy. Sit. Good boy. Shake. Shake. Shake for Mom. Good boy. Here's a goodie. There's a tree. There you go. That's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy, huh? Yes. Okay, sit. Stay. Stay. Stay there. There's Jake. Huh? There's Jake. Okay, let's do it again. One more. Okay? Shake. Shake for me. It's the last one. You gotta do it. Shake. 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 There you go. There you go. Okay, there's a goodie. There you go. Okay, that's Jake. Jake's doing good. We love Jake, don't we? Yes, we do. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy.